Hello, welcome back. This 6 are pre-assessment lab in that we have to complete only one lab for one badge. Means complete 6 labs and earn 6 badges. Now we see the demo, and these labs link are available in description. Thanks for watching the video. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. Follow these easy steps and unlock 6 badges in no time. Improve your performance. Track your growth. Celebrate your achievements. Let's go. Your next badge is just one step away.